not replace call button. Go to him. Again, Schindler. Wonder what that was. Oh, graffiti in this one. The main lift I figured out was graffiti in here is disgusting. Schindler. Here we are. Down we go. Indicator there. What? Bloody button went out. I wanted to get a ground. There we go. What on earth happened? What happened? I thought I might have been stuck. Lift returning to main floor. Huh? Here we are. Oh wow. You can see the door motor. Oh, wow. There it goes. That's it.